Welcome to online classes Nalgonda. My name is M. Tirumalesh, PGT Zoology. We discussed that 9th class biological science chapter 3 animal tissues. Dear students, last class or earlier classes you studied that plant tissues. How many types of plant tissues? What are their functions? You know that every organism is formed by the cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of the organisms. Yes, the organisms are formed by the cells. Some organisms are single cell organisms. They are called unicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms. Example amoeba. Amoeba. More than two cells forming the organisms, they are called multicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms. Example, all human beings, all developed organisms like that, plants, animals, mammals, reptiles, birds, fishes, amphibians, everything. So, here the developed multicellular organisms contain organ systems. You know that how it is form the organ systems? Organ systems formed by the organs. Organs formed by the tissues. Tissues formed by the cells. Which type of cells form the tissues? The similar structure, similar function of the group of cells form the tissues. Similar structure and similar functioning of all cells form the tissues. What is the tissues? The group of the cells formed by the similar structure, similar function is called tissues. So, plant tissues are already you know that different types of plant tissues. Example, meristematic tissue, ground tissue, dermal tissue and vascular tissue. What is the function of the vascular tissue? What is the function of the dermal tissue? What is the function of the ground tissue? What is the function of the meristematic tissue? One doubt is arised in our mind. Animals also formed by the cells. So, these also have that tissues. Yes, tissues form the organs, organs form the organ systems. You know that different organ systems carry the different functions. Students, here know that digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, nervous system, etc., etc. One thing, what is the digestive system? The functioning of digestive system, digestion of the food and absorption of the food into the blood to cells. But what is the respiratory system? Respiratory system main function is exchange the gases from outside to inside of the body. You know that oxygen inhaled in the air, oxygen inhaled into the lungs, lungs to blood to cell. Carbon dioxide from the cells to blood, blood to lungs, lungs to outside. This type of functioning performed by the respiratory system. Another one is excretory. The elimination of the toxic waste material through urine. This type of system is excretory system, etc., etc. Okay. Now, different types of tissues also present in the animal body. Ante animal body, animals contain different types of tissues. They perform different functions like that plant tissue. Plant tissues. Majorly four type of animal tissues are present. Majorly 4 type of animal tissues are present. How many types? 4 types of animal tissues present. They are they are they are epithelial tissue. Another one is connective tissue. Another one is muscular tissue. Another one nervous tissue. Yes, epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. What is function of epithelial tissue? Epithelial tissue covers and protect the inside and outside of the animal body. Connective tissue is loosely spaced tissue, mainly as rendering support to the various organs. Like that, the connective tissue connecting between the one organ to another organ and supporting to the mechanical support. Okay. Next one is muscular tissue. This which tissue is help in the movement in our body. Which tissue is movement in our body? That tissue is called muscular tissue. Muscular tissue perform the movement of body. Another one is nervous tissue, which is it is a specialized tissue, carry the information to respond to stimuli externally and internally. Nervous tissue is the passing the information to respond to stimuli internally and externally of the body. So mostly the four types of tissues are present in the animal body. Animal tissues are epithelium tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue. Now we discuss that one by one. First of all, epithelial tissue. Yes, epithelial tissue. Epi means outer, thelium means tissue. It is covers and protect to the outside of the inside of the organs and organ systems and body. అంటే మోస్ట్లీ ఎపిథీలియల్ టిష్యూ ఇస్ ద మోస్ట్లీ ద మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇస్ కవర్స్ అండ్ ప్రొటెక్ట్ ది ఎనిమల్ బాడీ. సో it is present in the lining of the mouth, in skin, the lining of the blood vessels and kidneys of ureters and lungs of alveoli. The epithelium is present in the skin and lining of the mouth, lining of the blood vessels and lining of the blood vessels and kidney ureters and lung of alveoli also formed by the epithelial tissue. Okay, now do the activities. First of all, activity 1. You collect the permanent slide of, you collect the permanent slides, activity 2, activity 3 is okay. First of all, you collect the substance from the lining of mouth by wooden spoon and observe under the microscope. What we have observed, draw the diagram on your notebook. Okay. What do find that? Yes, when we are observe the lining of the mouth substance under the microscope, we observe that the some epithelial tissues. Okay, how it is formed? There is no intercellular spaces. There is no intercellular spaces. They are forming the line. There is no intercellular spaces. They form the arranged in the orders. Okay. Here, the epithelium tissue extremely thin plot to form the delicate lining. This epithelium tissue is called squamous epithelium tissue. Activity 1 is doing that. What is? You take the substance from the lining of the mouth, observe the under the microscope. What we have observed, draw the diagram. So here when you observe, the epithelium tissue is thin and plot to form the delicate lining. This is called squamous epithelium. This type of squamous epithelium present in the animals like that. One, lining of the mouth, esophagus, lungs of alveoli and other parts, where transport the materials, absorption and secretion, that area lining by the squamous epithelium. Where does occur absorption and secretion of the substance? That organs lining by the squamous epithelium. The squamous epithelium is extremely thin and flat to perform the delicate lining. Okay. Next one. It is present in the esophagus, lungs of alveoli and lungs of alveoli, lungs of alveoli and lining of blood vessels. Okay. Next one, the epithelial tissue in skin are arranged in the form of layers. The epithelial tissue in the skin arranged in the form of layers. This type of epithelium tissue is called stratified squamous epithelium. It is from the more than 2 layers. Just think that when we have drink hot tea or cool drink, how do you feel? Yes, when burn the skin or wounded the skin, which tissue is damaged? Think that, students. This is a squamous epithelium. Squamous epithelium is a thin and plot and delicate lining. This is called squamous. It is present in the skin but more than 2 layers. They are called stratified squamous epithelium. Next one is the complete. Activity 2. We collect the permanent slide of cuboidal tissues, observe under the microscope, draw the diagram what we have observed. Here observed what is the arrangement of the tissues. What is the arrangement of the tissues? Any differences have present in the tissue structure? Difference. What is the difference in the any differences in the cells? Yes. This type of tissues, this type of cuboidal tissues present in the lining of organs or tubules like ureters and other parts. Mostly cuboidal tissue present in the lining of organs or ureters, tubules and other organs. But what is the function mostly? The cuboidal tissues function is provide the mechanical support to the salivary glands and other parts. Okay, dear students. Next, activity 3. Here, collect the permanent slide of columnar epithelium tissue from our laboratory slide box. It is also observed under the microscope, and what we have observed, draw the diagram in your notebook and observe in our compare with your textbook. Any differences are erased. Yes, the columnar epithelium tissue contain some egg-like projection on surface of the cells. The cells look like tall. Cuboidal cells look like tiles. The cells are the cuboidal columnar epithelium tissue. Cells contain a long, look like long, and the outer surface contain the egg-like projections. These tissues perform the function is absorption and secretion. Absorption and the secretion. Which parts are absorption and secretion? That area present by the columnar epithelium tissues. Columnar epithelium tissues. Okay. Next one, you know that glandular tissue. Glandular tissue nothing but modified epithelium tissue. Glandular tissue nothing but modified epithelium tissue. Some of the portion of the epithelium tissue folds inwards and formed multicellular glandular cells or glands. Hence, this is also called glandular tissue. Glandular tissue also based on their ducts, two types, and endocrine glands, exo glands. The more information we discuss in another chapter. So, dear students, this epithelium, what is the animal tissues, how many types of animal tissues, and we discussed here only the one type of epithelium tissue. So, next class we continue the another tissues like that, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Thank you, students.